Hello everyone, welcome to this video about the Gordie Howe International Bridge, one of the most exciting infrastructure projects currently underway in North America. Named after the legendary Canadian hockey player, this bridge will span the Detroit River and connect the cities of Detroit, Michigan and Windsor, Ontario. It will serve as a vital link for trade and travel between the United States and Canada, facilitating the movement of goods and people across the busiest commercial land border in the world. The bridge will connect Michigan's Interstate 75, Interstate 94 and Interstate 96 with Ontario's Highway 401 through the RT Hub Gray Parkway extension. The bridge is named after Canadian ice hockey player Gordie Howe, who played 25 years with the Detroit Red Wings and passed away 2 years before construction began. The idea for the bridge was first proposed in 2004 but faced significant opposition from Ambassador Bridge owner Manuel Moron, who feared competition from a publicly owned bridge would decrease his revenue. The Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority, a Canadian federal crown corporation, was established in 2012 to oversee the bridge's construction and management, and the project was approved by the US government in April 2013. In May 2018, the Michigan's Court of Appeals ruled against Moron's attempt to prevent expropriations on the Michigan side of the river, and in July 2018, the Bridge North America Consortium was chosen to build the bridge. Construction began that same month and the project is expected to be completed in 2025. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a 6-lane bridge being constructed across the Detroit River, linking the city of Detroit in the United States with the Windsor in Ontario, Canada. The bridge construction began in October 5, 2018 and is expected to be completed in 2025. A year later than initially estimated due to the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on the project. With a total cost of $5.6 billion, the Gordie Howe International Bridge will be the largest cable-stayed bridge in North America. Previously owned by the Boyer family, the bridge was later purchased by the Central Cartage Company of Detroit, which was owned by Manuel Matty Moron of Grosse Pointe Shores, until it was acquired by the Canadian and US governments for the construction of the new bridge. The bridge will alleviate traffic congestion on the existing Ambassador Bridge and Detroit-Windsor Tunnel, which are currently the only two vehicle crossings between the Detroit and Windsor. The bridge will improve the flow of goods and people between Canada and the United States, boosting the trade and economic growth. The new bridge will be more structurally sound and resistant to corrosion and wear than the aging Ambassador Bridge, which was built in 1929. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is designed with state-of-the-art technology to improve security and screening process at the border, ensuring a safer and more efficient flow of people and goods. The bridge will alleviate traffic congestion on the existing Ambassador Bridge and Detroit-Windsor Tunnel, which are currently the only two vehicle crossings between Detroit and Windsor. The bridge will improve the flow of goods and people between Canada and the United States, boosting trade and economic growth. The bridge will provide a direct freeway-to-freeway connection from Highway 401 in Ontario to I-75 in Michigan, improving transportation efficiency and reducing travel times. The Gordie Howe International Bridge will be the longest cable-stayed bridge in North America, with a main span of 0.53 miles, making it a landmark infrastructure project for the region. The bridge will have a nearly 12-foot wide pedestrian cycling path, providing a new, safe and sustainable transportation option between Detroit and Windsor. The new ports of entry that will connect to both America and Canadian bridge termini, as well as onward connections to I-75 in southwest Detroit, will facilitate international trade and economic development in the region. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is expected to generate significant economic benefits for the surrounding communities, including job creation, increased property values, and new businesses opportunities. The project includes a commitment to investment in community partnerships, economic benefits, community safety and connections, aesthetics and environmental benefits, contributing to the overall well-being and sustainability. The project includes a commitment to invest in community partnerships, economic benefits, community safety and connections, and environmental benefits, contributing to overall well-being and sustainability of the region. The key elements of the Gordie Howe International Bridge include: number 1, cable-stayed design. The bridge is designed as a cable-stayed bridge with a main span of 0.53 miles. It will be the longest cable-stayed span in North America. The second key element is direct freeway-to-freeway connection. The bridge will provide direct freeway-to-freeway connection from Highway 401 via the new RT Hornherb Gray Parkway in Ontario to I-75 in Michigan. The third key element is ports of entry. New ports of entry will be built on both America and Canadian sides of the bridge to connect to the bridge termini and onward connections to I-75 in southwest Detroit. Pedestrian cycling path. A pedestrian cycling path that is almost 12 feet wide will be constructed on the bridge. Another key element is economic benefits. The bridge is expected to offer economic benefits to the surrounding communities, including community partnerships, economic benefits, community safety and connections, aesthetics, and environmental benefits. The Gordie Howe International Bridge project is a partnership between the Canadian and Government of America, as well as various other public and private sector partners. The bridge has been designed with sustainability in mind, with features such as energy efficient lighting and stormwater management system. The estimated cost for the completion and operation of Gordie Howe International Bridge is $5.7 billion, covering the initial 30-year period of construction and maintenance. As part of the community engagement efforts, the Gordie Howe International Bridge team has allocated $1.7 million to support 11 community benefit initiatives, including 5 located in southwest Detroit. These funds will be utilized for community partnerships, economic benefits, community safety and connections, aesthetics, and landscaping. The bridge is currently at the midway point of its 5-year construction term, but due to delay caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, discussions are underway to assess whether the opening date, originally scheduled for the end of 2025, will be postponed. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.